Hiya, ButterBeanz. Today we are going to be making a penguin snow globe. Well, a snow globe with a penguin inside, but without glass. Just a jar. For our grandma in the hospital, because she needs to get cheered up. So let's get started. Okay, so first you're going to want to take some snow, like some of these puffs, and you're going to take some glue and glue it onto sides so it's nice. Just gonna be like snow in the middle. And I'm gonna fluff it. So next you're gonna want to take you can like make a snowman by like some white pom-poms if you had them, but we don't. So we're just gonna take like a blue, sparkly, medium, and small. These are pom-poms. So we're gonna want to glue it, and it's best to use hot glue. But since I'm a kid and Mom won't let me, so we're gonna have to use this, and we're gonna this glue, and we're gonna have to do a lot because it can soak up the glue. Stick it on, and then do the next one, and it dries clear, so you don't have to worry about it being like all, Okay, then third part, well, he's gonna have to be rolling up a snowball to make a snowman. So we're just gonna glue a snowball right in front, like how we have that little dent there. Right in there. Ta-da! And then we got a little beak. We're gonna put it on. Kind of what we did the 12 Days of Christmas calling birds. Okay guys, so we are gonna, to make his scarf or her scarf, we're gonna want to twist some pipe cleaners, any color you want. It doesn't have to be this color. And then around and make it all pretty. Then you're going to want to cut it the right length and put it around the neck and secure it with glue. Last thing is you want to make the eyes. So you're going to want to take a black marker and just make little dots for eyes. And I'm making snow for my snow globe. Okay, so I take this funnel, I put it on your jar, and then you pour some of these white beads, and then I cut some of this like sparkly wrapping paper, and it's really pretty. Kind of small strips. Okay, then you're gonna put the top on like that. Flip it over. Make sure the skirt gets in first. One tight. Flip it over. Ah! Got covered in snow! Help me! I'm drowning. You might need to take some out because he's drowning. And so that's not supposed to happen. Thank you for